To create an escalation group in OnPage, go to the Contact Management tab in the top menu. Open the drop-down and select Create Group. This opens the group configuration window, where you can choose the type of group you want to create. For this demo, select Escalation Group. An escalation group routes alerts or notifications to group members in a predefined order, moving to the next member if the previous member does not respond. The other option is Regular Group, which sends notifications and messages to everyone in the group. After selecting the escalation group, you can enable round robin if you want alerts to be assigned sequentially across the group members. Next, enter a name for the group. For this example, use Database Team. Next, select members of the database team. Under Paging Options, configure the escalation interval and escalation factor. The escalation interval determines how long OnPage waits before escalating an alert, while the escalation factor determines which action, delivered, read, or replied, must occur to stop the escalation. Next, configure the failover, OPID. Failover OPID specifies the on-page users or groups that should receive the alert if it fails to reach anyone in the original escalation group. You can also enter a fail report to email address. This specifies the email address that should receive a report containing message tracking details if an alert fails to reach anyone in the escalation group. Once everything is configured, click Save.